4 ओवर के बाद 16 है स्कोर यहाँ पर चेन्नई राइनर्स का। थोड़ा बहुत दबाव जरूर बढ़ा होगा इस समय दोनों प्लेयर्स के ऊपर। इनकी साझेदारी धीरे धीरे बढ़ रही है। ये पहला बाउंड्री, पहला चौका यहाँ पर चेन्नई राइनर्स के लिए जीवा के बल्ले से। अच्छा शॉट ये था, गलत लाइन थी, डाउन द लेग साइड ऑन द पैड। बेहतरीन तरीके से इसको फ्लिक कर दिया जीवा ने 4 रन के लिए।
बेहतरीन शॉट, पेस का पूरी तरह से इस्तेमाल करते हुए जीवा अपना पहला बाउंड्री। बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया होगा इस शॉट के बाद, क्योंकि आपको जब तक रन नहीं बनते तब तक एज अ बैट्समैन you don't really get that confidence, and confidence is so very vital in playing a sport like cricket. Again drifting onto the leg side, but there is enough cover on the leg side within the 30-yard circle.
It's quite an interesting field setting by Mohan Lal, the skipper of Kerala Strikers. Got 4 fielders on the onside to a bowler who normally gets the ball to come into the right-hander. There's no one in the deep to cover the fence, so the bowling has to be extremely precise. Much better, very good line from Pillai. He's the one who scored some runs for Kerala Strikers right at the top as an opener, scored 43. But overall this has been a good performance from Kerala Strikers on the field so far.
And Pillai has looked the part. I mean, he's looked as good as any other player in the tournament. He has those batting skills, the bowling abilities, and I think he should be a player to watch. Does he? Oh, he couldn't catch that. He went for it in his follow through. Always difficult to catch. That was catchable, and if you have got your hands underneath it, you need to catch it.
Was trying to play on the onside, got a leading edge, scooped in the air. He had enough time, he dived full length in front, but in the end was unable to hold that catch. Oh, there's disappointment in the dugout of Kerala Strikers, but good effort in the end from Pillai. That's what you need. The only thing you can do on the field is to put your 100%, and that's what Pillai did. Drives quite well, gets some runs here in the gap. He'll go to the fence. So 2 boundaries coming in this over. That should up the run rate for Chennai Rhinos. It's 24 for none.
Well, Jiva has been aggressive. I think he's got those loose deliveries in this over, and he's dispatched them to what they deserve. I think all the bats, all the shots coming with a straight bat. So good technique also being exhibited. Pillai has been expensive in this over. 8 runs coming from it. Be interesting to see if these 2 boundaries make any difference to way he bowls. Bowls it short of a length. Jiva plays and misses it. End of 5 overs, 24 for no loss.